Stop scrolling. Now, I know you've seen this brand going totally viral on TikTok and all over social media. So you've heard about the Korean skincare. Now this is Malaysian skincare. I finally have the full Hollaface glow kit. If you're tired of those 12-step routines that cost a fortune, this is a simple, powerful secret that you need. But first, let's appreciate the unboxing experience.
Hello, Malaysia, land of unity. Every heartbeat sings with melody. Hello, Malaysia, shining bright and free. You're the home that lives in me. Hello, Malaysia.
How cute are these pink wristbands and headbands? And they even included a personal thank you note. It's the little things, you know? You want clear skin and you want it simple. Let's jump right into the 3-step night routine. Ready for the Malaysian beauty glow up? Let's go! Now first up we start with step 1, the refreshing facial cleanser. The peppermint in this feels like a little chill spa moment on your face. It washes away the day without that tight strip feeling. And here's the best part, the whole line is dermatologically tested, which means it's totally safe and gentle on sensitive skin. Now we're all clean, we move to the treatment phase. Next up is my MVP, the Pore-Clarifying Brightening Serum. This stuff is lightweight gold, people. This serum is doing the heavy lifting in 2 ways. Niacinamide shrinks pores and vitamin C fades those post-acne ghost marks. Seriously, 100% of users agree their marks has faded. This is non-negotiable. And finally, we lock in with step 3, the skin renewing retinol. Don't be scared of the R word. This blend uses butyric and peptides. It's the smart way to smoother, firmer skin while you sleep. Just remember, retinol is only for nighttime use, and always listen to your skin. Look at this glow. 3 simple steps, 3 powerful products designed for our climate. Hollaface just wins. If you're ready to try the Malaysian beauty magic, grab the links below. Now hit the comments and tell me, are you jumping on the Hollaface train? Let's keep this good skin vibe going.
Hello, Malaysia, land of unity. Every heartbeat sings with melody. Hello, Malaysia, shining bright and free. You're the home that lives in me. Hello,
Now just look at that glow. The Malaysian skincare glow. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. My name's lathonmb and you should be seeing some of my other videos popping up around now. So don't forget to give them a watch. And you know what? I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra!